Unit 17. In the City. Page 46. Lesson 1. Activity 1. Look, listen, and repeat. A. What does it say?
It says go.
B. What does it say?
It says stop.
Page 46. Lesson 1. Activity 2. Listen, point, and say. A.
Stop.
B.
Go straight.
C.
Turn right.
D.
Turn left.
A.
What does it say?
It says stop.
B.
What does it say?
It says go straight.
C.
What does it say?
It says turn right.
D.
What does it say?
It says turn left.
Page 47. Lesson 1. Activity 4. Listen and tick or cross. 1.
What does it say?
It says turn right.
2.
What does it say?
It says stop.
3.
What does it say?
It says go straight.
4.
What does it say?
It says turn left.
Page 47. Lesson 1. Activity 6. Let's sing. When I cross the road.
When I cross the road, I stop, look, listen and think. The light is red, the light is red. What does it say? It says stop, stop, stop.
When I cross the road, I stop, look, listen and think. The light is green, the light is green. What does it say? It says go, go, go.
Page 48. Lesson 2. Activity 1. Look, listen, and repeat. A.
We want to buy some books.
There's a bookshop in Hua Bing Street. B.
How can we get there?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
Page 48. Lesson 2. Activity 2. Listen, point, and say. A.
Go straight.
B.
Turn right.
C.
Turn left.
D.
Turn round.
A.
How can I get to the bookshop?
Go straight.
B.
How can I get to the supermarket?
Turn right.
C.
How can I get to the cinema?
Turn left.
D.
How can I get to the bakery?
Turn round.
Page 49. Lesson 2. Activity 4. Listen and tick. 1.
How can I get to the swimming pool?
Turn left over there.
Thank you.
2.
I want to buy a cake.
There's a bakery in Park Street.
How can I get there?
Turn right.
Thank you.
Page 50. Lesson 3. Activity 1. Listen and repeat.
Bookshop. How can I get to the bookshop? Campsite. How can I get to the campsite?
Page 50. Lesson 3. Activity 2. Listen and circle. 1.
How can I get to the bookshop?
2.
How can I get to the campsite?
Page 50. Lesson 3. Activity 3. Let's chant.
Bookshop, bookshop, bookshop. How can I get to the bookshop? Go straight, go straight. The bookshop is on the right. Campsite, campsite, campsite. How can I get to the campsite? Go straight, go straight. The campsite is on the left.